Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? I hope you are good. My people, no be small thing, no. Anyway, thank God that the elders are also at alert. Like they will not allow Auntie Blue Blue to accomplish her mission. As we hear say, allegedly, you know that this Auntie Blue Blue, I think she have a mission in the palace. She have a mission in the palace, but God is not going to allow her to accomplish her mission. We heard allegedly that she wants to build her own, what did they call it? Her own Olori quarters. Yes, she wants to build her own Olori quarters. As we heard though, allegedly, that she told the king, Oni of Ife, that Oni of Ife should allow her, give her permission so that she will build her own Olori quarter at the back of the palace. That is not inside the palace, but at the back of the palace. And I was like, what is her problem? Is it that she want to put, will I say asunder, she want to divide the Ile-Ife kingdom? Why would she request for that such a thing? You know this woman, if all of these things we are hearing happen to be true, let me say, her mission is never known yet. Though we are trying to understand the fact that she want to dethrone the king. She want to get that throne back to her family house, because we heard that when the king wanted to marry, it was her family who went and arranged her for the king, so that the king will marry her. You see? And again, I don't know. I don't just know. And again, we heard that uh, she stole the king's protective charm. The other time we heard that she stole the king's protective charm, and they were looking for it. And she tied it inside black nylon, of which she's a woman. She wouldn't have known how to preserve that protective charm if not that some of the elders are involved. Because you see, for that palace, no be all the elder wey dey for that palace, no be all of them like the king. Some of them, they don't like the king at all. So they go dey fight on how to know if they can dethrone the king. And that is what they use this Auntie Blue Blue and plant in the midst of the palace. Just check everything wey Auntie Blue Blue do. All the Oloris, upon say somebody like Auntie Igbi is Lori Mariam. Upon say she have been trying everything. You want to be in the palace by fire by force. She never go extend to the extent that Auntie Blue Blue have gone. You see? And that is why Auntie Igbi's people came and warned her the other day that she should stop following Auntie Blue Blue, that she will mislead her, but she will not listen. Right now, what we are hearing is that e be like say this woman wan enthrone herself. You know, so there was a time we heard that she was talking to some women, telling them that you can contest to be an Oba, that being a female Oba is not a crime. And we heard that once in their regime, one time ago, in Ile-Ife, there was a time we heard allegedly that a woman was an Oba. And that time that woman became an Oba, that the woman maltreated people like fire. The woman treated people like say person na ant wey im be. And this time around, do you think that if any woman emerge to be an Oba, as in contest to be an Oba, that they are going to allow her? They no go allow her. Yes, they will not allow her. Nobody go vote for her. Because when women, that is why, so I'm not kicking against women being an Oba, but no be for this time of Oronke. No be to dethrone the king to become an Oba. No, it will not work for her. Her plans have failed her woefully, woefully. So one thing about this her plea is that she went to the king and requested that the king should give her opportunity to build her own Olori quarter at the back of the palace, that she don't want to go far from the palace. That is to say that she have mission. And I don't know, is it that the king called the elders and told them, look at what this woman is saying, and the elders were like, oh, so all this time we have been looking at you with one kind eye. You won't tell us say that thing wey we dey suspect na true. Omo, let us tell you the truth. Your plans is not going to work. We are not going to give you anywhere. Oh, do you want to scatter our kingdom? You want to divide our kingdom into two. You see? So you want to divide our kingdom into two, but e no go work for you now. Who does that? A wife to the king, that the king asked to go to Olori quarter wey he bought for them to stay, just for peace to reign in the palace. A wife will be requesting that she should be given a land so that she will build her own Olori quarter. She want to build her own kingdom there. No be Olori quarter wey she want to build. You see, let me tell you, if they ever agree, if there is anything at all that will happen, that these people will give Aunty Igbi opportunity to build a quarter there, omo, Aunty Igbi go build her kingdom. You know say she get money. No be say she go look for who she go plead. Not Aunty Igbi, Aunty Blue Blue. She no go to look for who she go plead with money. She get money. She will build her kingdom there. Now even say if she like, she will write it Aunty Blue Blue Palace. And you see that Ile-Ife people will have two palace, because number one, she is Ooni of Ife's wife. And if the king tries to divorce her, she may insist that she's not divorcing the king, that she cannot divorce her husband. You see? And don't even forget that this woman, all of these things we are hearing from this Olori, if all of them na true, I don't know what the king is still waiting for to tell her that I'm no longer interested. I'm no longer marrying. Go back to your ex-husband. Even her children self I was hearing that the other time that her children came and was asking her, so it's because of fame that made you to abandon us this way. You give us money. Do you think that money is everything? We need your love. We need you to come back to us. That is what we heard that her children was telling her. Oh, my people, I don't know that it's true. Now here I hear. So I was like, look at, because she gets beautiful, I think beautiful 2 kids, abi 3, I don't know. But I heard that she have a boy and a girl. I don't know whether they are just 2. So even her husband self is even coming after her. That is, all of these women that is in the palace, their husband are still interested in them. Yes, because I don't know how a woman will leave her husband and come to another man's husband to take away her own husband and still stay there. They make mouth and still request for the man to give her a land so that she will go and build her own kingdom. You see, say that time when she dey talk about women contesting for female Oba, she dey interested in this throne. But you see, for this throne wey the king Oba Enitan Ogunwusi dey, e no go work for Olori Ronke. She no go succeed. All her plan, the Lord have failed her already. And this is how it's going to be. Queen Naomi is going to come back and take over everything in this palace. She is the original queen that we know. All other queen for this palace, all of them na counterfeit. I know say some people no go dey happy with this, but whether you dey happy or not, let the truth be told. Queen Naomi is the original queen, and nothing is going to change her. Thank you, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, love you guys. Bye.